Extra time.
Hit the subscribe option and the bell icon to get all the exclusive sports videos on Extra Time.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एक्स्ट्रा टाइम। और जैसे कि आपसे अपडेट शेयर करना चाहता हूं कि काफी बड़ा अपडेट है, वो यही है कि शायद जो साउथ अफ्रीका दौरा है इंडिया का, वो शायद रद्द हो सकता है ड्यू टू द न्यू कोविड वेरिएंट है। और इसके बारे में डिस्कस करने के लिए मेरे साथ मौजूद है न्यूज़ 9 से शुभायन चक्रवर्ती। शुभायन, वेलकम बैक। इट्स लवली टू सी यू आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम आफ्टर द T20 वर्ल्ड कप।
Yes, Devashish, we are back in India now, getting with our business with the India versus New Zealand ongoing Test series. But yeah, whatever is happening in South Africa, it's pretty bad at the moment, right?
Yeah, and obviously you did had a word with BCCI Treasurer Arun Dhamal. So can you just share an update as to what is the BCCI thinking? Are they concerned about the tour going ahead, or because the India A tour is still going on? So is it an area of concern within the BCCI?
See, Devashish, yes, absolutely. There are concerns given the fact that the new variant that has been detected in South Africa, it is spreading rapidly. And as per the experts, currently that the variant itself might not be, with the vaccines that we have taken so far. But we are yet to get the much awaited report from the WHO, so that will clear a bit. I think the report will be out within next week. So we still have some time at the moment. The ongoing India A versus South Africa A tour is going in Bloemfontein, which is at the southern part of the South Africa, and the virus, the new variant is in the the northern part of the South Africa. So in that case, the South India A players are safe from the variant at the moment. But yes, the way it is spreading, it is surely a cause of concern.
Yeah, and as you have rightly pointed out that obviously the variant has been found in the northern part of the country, which is and Johannesburg and Centurion happens to be in the northern part. So does that mean that the BCCI and the Cricket South Africa might sit down together and reschedule the series?
Devashish, that they have already had words. There have been discussions among both the cricketing boards at the moment, and the both are waiting to at least wait for another week. They are both are waiting for another week to see how this new development goes on with the thing, with the trend. The trend is absolutely a cause of concern within both the boards. Even South Africa doesn't want to put the health of the players in jeopardy and carry on with the series. And the ongoing Netherlands tour of South Africa was also supposed to be cancelled, but due to all the flight restrictions at the moment, the series is temporarily going ahead. But we don't know whether it will go ahead after the first ODI that is being played, that is being currently played. But Debash, is the most interesting fact. What Mr. Dhumal said to me is that both the boards, the first thing they want is the safety of players. They are not worried about the financial ramifications if the series gets delayed, gets postponed. Obviously, as you know, the cricketing calendar is tightly packed, and there is no scope of any postponements or any delayment. So they both are very worried at the moment, firstly, but are pretty confident at the moment that they will be able to pull this series off with all the stringent bio bubble restrictions that we also saw in the T20 World Cup.
If we take back a few months back, obviously the tour of when South Africa did tour to India, the series got cancelled and they had to fly back. So that doesn't mean, as far as financial ramification is concerned, that doesn't augur well for Cricket South Africa.
Absolutely, and remember, just before the T20 World Cup, just before the WTC final, Australia had pulled out of a series, of a test series in South Africa, which did affect Australia's chances in the WTC final qualification. So South Africa in recent past have taken some financial hits but just because of the fact that BCCI are involved in this, I think they will be safeguarded from massive losses, which could be detrimental to their board's future. But I'm pretty sure that with all the advancement in vaccination, with all the players now pretty comfortable with the bio bubble restrictions and the protocols, they know what the protocols are. All of them are doubly vaccinated. They all know if they are into a hard quarantine, then what sort of protocols they need to follow. So I think at the moment, whatever situation we are looking at, uh, the series is likely to go ahead. But yes, of course, if the current development due to the COVID variant deteriorates in the next week, then I think we are in for some serious trouble.
Yeah, definitely, Shubhayan. What I would recollect is that the international flights, that those are all being flying from in and out from the Johannesburg airport. No, because none of the other airports in South Africa, you take Cape Town or Durban, they are not working as far as international flights are concerned. So I think if Indian team does travel, they would be flying out from India in a chartered flight, which was the case with the India A team. They flew to Pal in a chartered flight.
Yeah, absolutely. If the series goes ahead, then I don't think traveling will be a concern, because these guys are traveling in chartered flights. The staff, the airplane staff is pretty much they are also in a sort of a bubble where they can't interact with all the people, and it is the same wherever they stay in the hotel staff. They undergo a quarantine period. They undergo a self quarantine period before joining the bubble itself. So the quarantine protocols are pretty strict, and the officials have kept a check on whoever is working within that bubble so far. And before this development broke out, there was some sort of speculations going on that the bubble in South Africa might be akin to what the light bubble was there in England. But after this development, I'm pretty sure there will be again a strict bubble where you can't move around outside your hotel. So that is something which players will rue a bit, because South Africa is a beautiful place to just go and sit and have a cup of coffee. But that's the scene, that's the unfortunate scenario, the unfortunate world we live in with the COVID virus.
Subhan, what I guess is that if the COVID variant does, if the cases do rise, then there might be a chance that Cricket South Africa might shift the matches in the southern region of the country. Means whereas just as you have pointed out that India A matches are right now going in Paarl, Bloemfontein. So means obviously if you look at the schedule, the first two matches are in Johannesburg and Centurion, but keep aside, then all the matches are in the southern region. So if the Cricket South Africa and BCCI negotiate among themselves and schedule all the matches in southern hemisphere, then the series might as well go ahead.
Absolutely, you're spot on, and that will be the best and the most viable way to go ahead with the series, because you just can't take a risk, and you have seen what happened in England. Both the boards know what happened in England before the fifth test, so they might not take a risk and affect the life of the players, the health of the players who have already, they are both doubly vaccinated, but you still don't know. There's still a sense of uncertainty around the new COVID variant, and that is why the possibility, if the series goes ahead, then there's the possibility that all the matches, as you said, might be shifted to the southern hemisphere of South Africa.
Yeah, obviously, but that is not good news for the media guys who are planning to travel to the Rainbow Nation to cover the series, because I don't think with the new variant rising, there won't be any international flights to Johannesburg, which means that media won't be able to fly. But as far as the media accreditation is concerned, I think today was the last date. So nothing has. On that note, there is nothing development. Is it so? Means the Cricket South Africa
My
has not.
sources, yeah, my sources tell me that Devashish, you were supposed to fly out to South Africa for the series, but given the current situation, majority of the countries, be it UK, be it America, they have already blocked the flights from South Africa, and even India, they have taken a few strict steps to monitor all the passengers that are flying in from South Africa at the moment. We might see a flight ban in a couple of days, given how the trend continues in the South Africa. But yes, of course, it is not a good sign for all the media personnel, be it international, be it local. If there's a media shadow, if the media is not allowed, then be it international, be it local, both the media guys, media personnels will get affected from this development. But unfortunate situation, and we might again move on to full on Zoom interviews, Zoom press conferences.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's the need of the hour. But Shubhan, before ending, just one last thing. What exactly did the BCCI treasurer say to you? Means what is actually the BCCI's the line of action now?
See, whatever he said to me, that they are currently monitoring the situation. There's still some time to go for the series, so they are not panicking at all. Panic is not the way to go forward, as we have seen. BCCI during the peak pandemic has toured to South Australia. They have toured to England. They have hosted England in India, so they know what all the requirements are during the peak of a pandemic. So they are well versed with all the techniques, the technologies that are needed for a series to be completed. But yes, Cricket South Africa, they are very concerned. They are very concerned regarding the fact that the financial part of hosting India is the biggest of them
Absolutely.
all. And when it comes to this, and you will agree to that fact also, that Sena countries, South Africa, England, New Zealand, Australia, they wait for that opportunity for India to come after every 2 years and visit their country, so that the crowds can be welcomed to the stadium. The gate receipts are there, the advertisement receipts are there. So if there's a half-fledged series going on with so many bans, so many restrictions, then the advertisement guys may also take a step backwards because of the uncertainty regarding the tour. And that is the most concerning factor for Cricket South Africa at the moment. But in BCCI's case, they are very comfortable with the situation at the moment. They know what to do. They are patient is the word. They are patient. They are waiting for at least another week before they take a decision. Obviously, there will be constant meetings. Both the boards are in constant touch, and that is what Mr. Dhumal told me, that both the boards are in constant touch, and that is the communication will be the key going forward, I would say.
Yeah, absolutely. Communication will be the key between both the boards. Thanks very much, Shubhan, for joining me. And hopefully we can get more updates from you as far as the series between India and South Africa is concerned.
Always.
And friends, keep watching Extra Time and subscribe to Extra Time YouTube channel if you have not done so. And click on the notification bell to get all the notification of the latest videos. Until then, this is me, Debashish, signing out for Extra Time. Good night.
This is Extra Time! Extra Time!